Adventure is dead. We killed it with bikes stuck in mud, Instagram stories, and GPS coordinates. We bought the 30,000 euro machines and the curated routes that promise a thrill without the risk. We've turned the wild into a theme park, and we're all just waiting in line for the same photo of the same mountain pass. But that's not adventure. It's just a vacation with better marketing. Adventure isn't something you buy. Adventure is something that happens to you when everything you bought fails. It's the moment the map is wrong, the engine becomes quiet, and you're forced to realize that you are not the hero of a commercial. You're just a guy 300 miles from home, sitting in the rain. We're obsessed with the look of travel. We want the drone shot, we want the epic title. We've sanitized the road so we can navigate by pixels, making sure we never truly get lost, which means we never truly find anything new. We've traded the real adventure for the safety of the algorithm. Think you need a bigger engine to see a bigger world? The most interesting thing on the road is not the machine. It's a silence inside your helmet when the GPS stops talking. It's the sunsets you catch. It's your engine breaking down unexpectedly. I started miles between because I was tired of the noise, and for a short period of time I forgot that. I wanted to show you the space between the destinations, the places that are not on the top 10 lists, the long and lonely rides where nothing exciting happens, and that's exactly why they matter. We've been told adventure has to be epic to count. I don't believe that. Adventure is found in any form or friction. It's the breakdown that ruins your commute, or the wet gear that never quite dries in a city apartment. It's choosing a motorcycle over the comfort of a car, because in those moments, the scale of the world finally comes into focus. You realize you're just a tiny speck in a massive landscape, and suddenly, for the first time all day, your life feels real. If you're looking for gear shoutouts or sick stands, I'm afraid you're in the wrong place. There are plenty of channels for that, but if you're looking for a reason to pack your bag and disappear, then welcome. My name is George, and this channel is not only about vlogging. Let's find out what's waiting in the miles between.